Your brain has a delete button, it forgets to make space. Ever wonder why you can't remember every detail of your childhood? Your brain has a built-in mechanism for forgetting, and that's not a flaw, it's a feature. One of the more surprising weird facts about the human brain is that it intentionally deletes information to optimize performance. This process, called synaptic pruning, removes weaker neural connections while strengthening those used more frequently. Just like defragmenting a hard drive, your brain clears out unused pathways to improve memory retrieval and cognitive function. If your brain didn't forget, it would be overloaded with irrelevant details, what you had for lunch on a random Tuesday in 2011, for instance. Forgetting helps keep your mental processes fast and flexible. This reinforces how the brain works as a high-efficiency system, managing an enormous amount of input while prioritizing only what's necessary for current and future survival. Hello friends. If you love amazing and interesting facts like these, make sure to subscribe to WikiHubs24. For more knowledge, visit backhandindexpointingrightWikiHubs wikihubs24.info. Try the free WikiHubs24 tool, no sign-up required. Check it out today and keep learning.